Do not eat kids' cuisine like the spaghetti you can eat and the corn you can eat, but this, the meatballs, do not eat. Let me just move this in my fork. See, do y'all guys see that? Just blur that in. Okay, there, you see that? Right here, I'm pointing to it, that hard piece in that. Do not eat it. Do not, because it's disgusting, by the way. Okay, so thanks for checking out my video. And also, Wendy's eating show, you should watch her show, because she found it in chicken nuggets, and I found it in this, and I threw it up. My sister's laughing over there, you can see her. She's laughing like hard. Shit.